Welcome. If you want to activate Hey Google feature on your ASUS ROG phone free, at the first you have to go for your Google app, then move to the more and tap on the settings. When you are here, we have to choose voice, and then we have to go for the voice match. So click right here on the switcher, and right now we have to teach our assistant. So click next, tap on the switcher, click agree. Okay Google. Okay Google. Okay Google. Click next, tap finish, and right now let's say okay Google, and our assistant is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.